Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video. I found this little old guy in the back alley and he looked like he needed some TLC, so I took him home and restored him. It's pretty cool actually. This looked like an old tea trolley. It was made of oak and it needed a lot of work. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to resuscitate him, but I gave it a try. There were some vintage chewing gums attached to the bottom and I think I found 3 of them. Because I wanted to remove the varnish and to sand it, I took it apart. I found the manufacturer's label underneath, but it was faded to a point that there was nothing visible. I was going to reuse all the screws and hardware, so I put it in the box. I actually wanted to remove those cool little wheels, but it would have been very difficult and I didn't want to risk splitting the legs, so I just left them. I used some rust remover to clean the screws and the hinges. The varnish was very easy to remove, so I just used my scraper. I can't say the same about the stain that they used, because it took forever to sand it, but I got there in the end. This circle looked like water damage, and luckily I was able to get rid of it with some sanding. There were also some holes from woodworms, and I will treat them later on in the video. As you can see, sanding didn't help very much with those stains on the bottom tray, so I used oxalic acid and hoped that that would help. Oxalic acid works really well on some stains, but not as well on others, and I can't tell you exactly which ones those are, but I just try and, if it works, it works. As I was applying the oxalic acid, I could already see the difference, so I knew it was going to work well. So I left it to dry and I used my card scraper with a rounded corner to remove the varnish from that shallow groove. If you watch my videos, you know that I always sand the bottom and the inside of all the furniture pieces that I work on, so I did it in this case as well. And when the oxalic acid was dry, I applied a second coat, but as you can see, there's a huge difference already. And as I mentioned before, I treated the woodworm damage. Super simple, you literally just spray it on, and you do it only once every 5 years. I recently realized that 77.7% of you watching my videos are not subscribers. I knew that those stains in the top were going to be more difficult to remove, so I used a wire brush to try and get into those grooves and loosen up the dirt. And you might think that it's a bit harsh, but wire brush on oak is okay as long as you go with the grain. I give it a light sanding, and I use oxalic acid on those pieces as well, and on the rest of the trolley. As I was looking at the dark stain in the grain, I thought about my friend Chris Donna from Bella Renovare. If you guys don't know her already, I'll put some links in the description. She's awesome, and she did something that's called Cirrus finish, and it can be white or black or any other color, so check her out, it's actually pretty cool. This is what the hinges look like after a bath in rust remover, so I spray painted them black just to make them look nice and shiny. And there was a piece of veneer damaged on the bottom shelf, but it wasn't damaged to a point that I would want to replace it, so I just used my repair kit to fix it. And the wheels were in such a rough shape, so I sandblasted them. After a cuddle with Hugo, who's my neighbor's cat, it was time to put the trolley back together. This runner thing, whatever you call it, wasn't as tight as I would like it to be, so I removed it and I moved it a bit closer. Because this trolley was very old, I thought that restored finish in walnut would be a good choice. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for helping me reach 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. It's absolutely incredible and it's all because of you. And if you would like to support my channel, you can do so via all the links in the description. It's buy me a coffee, my Amazon links, or buy super thanks. Thank you so much. On the restored finish, it says to apply wax after about 30 minutes. So this is what I did, and I wiped it off. You thought I was finished, didn't you? I wouldn't be myself if I didn't try to mess it up. So I decided to do a brass inlay, and I tested it on a piece of scrap wood just to make sure I had the right bit and the proper depth set on my router. For a change, it was actually very precise and straight, so I was very happy with it. So I managed actually to get a very tight fit, but I used some super glue just in case. Before I show you the final results, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.